In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request refund from TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what to say, and how the follow-up works so you can keep everything smooth and organized. Begin by signing into your TradingView account. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile, especially if you manage more than one account. It helps to double-check which plan you're on and when you were charged, since refund eligibility often depends on timing. Having that information in mind will make the conversation faster. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the TradingView interface. You should see the chat icon there. It usually appears as a speech bubble or help button. Click it to open the support chat window. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the window or scrolling and ensure any pop-up blockers aren't hiding it. Open a new conversation in the chat. In the message box, simply type the word refund. This keyword tells the support assistant what you're looking for and typically triggers the correct workflow. You might see suggested prompts. Choose the option that relates to requesting a refund for your subscription or recent charge. Keep your message clear and concise, such as, "I'd like to request a refund for my recent subscription charge." The assistant will ask a few questions to verify your account and understand your request. Be ready to confirm details like the plan you purchased, the date of the charge, and a brief reason for the refund. Only share what the assistant asks for inside the secure chat and avoid posting sensitive payment data in full. Clear, factual answers help the system confirm eligibility quickly. After verification, the chatbot will attempt to process your request. If everything checks out, it may complete the refund directly. If the request can't be finalized in chat, the assistant will create a support ticket on your behalf. You'll receive a confirmation by email with your case details, so keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder. Save the ticket number for reference and reply to that email thread if you're asked for any additional information. This keeps the conversation in one place and speeds up resolution. That's it. Log in, open the chat at the bottom right, start a conversation by typing refund, provide the requested details, and let the system verify and process it. If needed, a ticket is created and you'll get updates by email. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your TradingView refund handled quickly and confidently.